Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Maximizing fuel efficiency, understanding and addressing defective valve action in vehicles. Excessive fuel consumption can be a significant concern for vehicle owners, leading to increased costs and environmental impact. When facing issues with fuel efficiency, one potential cause to consider is a defective valve action within the engine system. Understanding the connection between excessive fuel consumption and faulty valve action is crucial for diagnosing and addressing these issues effectively. In this video, we will delve into the relationship between excessive fuel consumption and defective valve action, exploring the potential impact on vehicle performance and offering insights into potential solutions. Please give us a comment, like, and share, and please subscribe to our video. Understanding excessive fuel consumption. Excessive fuel consumption can be puzzling for many vehicle owners, causing frustration and financial strain. Understanding the reasons behind this issue and its impact on vehicles is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and efficiency. Causes of excessive fuel consumption. Poor maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance, such as timely oil changes, dirty air filters, and worn-out spark plugs, can significantly contribute to increased fuel consumption. Inefficient driving habits. Aggressive acceleration, sudden braking, and idling for extended periods can lead to excessive fuel usage, diminishing overall fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires. Improper tire pressure can create higher rolling resistance, increasing the workload on the engine and causing it to consume more fuel than necessary. Faulty oxygen sensors. Malfunctioning oxygen sensors can inaccurately measure the air-fuel mixture, leading to an imbalance and consequently higher fuel consumption. Impact of excessive fuel consumption on vehicles. The consequences of excessive fuel consumption extend beyond the financial burden on drivers. It can also lead to detrimental effects on the vehicle itself. Reduced engine performance. Excessive fuel consumption can strain the engine, leading to diminished power output and overall performance. Environmental impact. Increased fuel consumption contributes to greater emissions, negatively impacting the environment and air quality. Premature wear and tear. Continuous excessive fuel usage can accelerate wear on engine components, potentially leading to costly repairs and reduced longevity of the vehicle. Understanding these causes and impacts is essential for effectively addressing excessive fuel consumption and maintaining the efficiency and longevity of vehicles. Identifying defective valve action. Signs of defective valves. When it comes to identifying defective valve action, there are several signs to watch out for. One common indicator is a tapping or clicking noise coming from the engine, particularly when the vehicle is idling. This could suggest that the valves are not opening and closing properly. Additionally, decreased engine power and rough idling can also point to valve issues. If you notice a drop in fuel efficiency or increased exhaust emissions, it could be a sign that the valves are not functioning as they should. Effects of defective valve action on engine performance. Defective valve action can have a significant impact on engine performance. When valves fail to open and close as they should, it disrupts the combustion process, leading to decreased power and efficiency. This can result in rough idling, misfires, and overall decreased engine performance. In addition, defective valve action can lead to increased fuel consumption as the engine works harder to compensate for the valve issues. If left unresolved, valve problems can ultimately cause damage to other engine components, leading to more extensive and costly repairs down the line. Common reasons for excessive fuel consumption due to valve action. Valve action is a critical component of an engine's performance, and when defective, it can lead to excessive fuel consumption. There are several common issues related to valve action that can contribute to this problem. Let's delve into the key factors causing excessive fuel consumption due to valve action. Valve clearance issues. Valve clearance issues occur when the gap between the rocker arm and the valve stem either tightens or widens beyond the specified tolerance. If the clearance is too tight, the valve may not fully close, leading to incomplete combustion and increased fuel consumption. Conversely, excessive clearance can result in noisy operation and decreased efficiency, ultimately impacting fuel economy. Valve timing problems. Valve timing is crucial for the proper functioning of an engine. If the timing is off, it can cause the intake or exhaust valves to open or close at the wrong time, disrupting the combustion process. This can lead to fuel wastage as the engine struggles to operate efficiently, consuming more fuel than necessary to maintain performance. Valve seal and gasket failures. The valve seals and gaskets play a significant role in maintaining proper compression and preventing oil from seeping into the combustion chamber. When these components fail, oil can leak into the cylinders, affecting the air-fuel mixture and combustion process. As a result, the engine may experience increased fuel consumption due to the compromised combustion efficiency. Understanding these common issues related to valve action and their impact on fuel consumption is vital for diagnosing and addressing excessive fuel usage in vehicles. Regular maintenance and timely inspection of valve components can help prevent these issues and ensure optimal fuel efficiency. Addressing defective valve action to improve fuel efficiency. Regular valve inspections and maintenance. Regular valve inspections and maintenance are crucial for optimizing fuel efficiency in your vehicle. Over time, valves can become worn or clogged, leading to suboptimal engine performance and increased fuel consumption. By conducting routine inspections and maintenance, you can identify and address any issues with the valves before they result in excessive fuel usage. This proactive approach helps to maintain optimal engine function and reduce the likelihood of valve-related fuel inefficiencies. Replacing defective valves. When defective valves are identified during inspections, prompt replacement is essential in restoring fuel efficiency. Defective valves can disrupt the proper flow of air and fuel within the engine, causing it to work harder and consume more fuel than necessary. By replacing these faulty components with new, high-quality valves, you can ensure that the engine operates at its peak efficiency, resulting in significant improvements in fuel consumption. Upgrading to high-quality valves. Upgrading to high-quality valves can be a proactive step towards enhancing fuel efficiency in your vehicle. High-quality valves are designed to offer superior durability and performance, reducing the likelihood of premature wear and malfunction. By investing in upgraded valves, you can mitigate the risk of future valve-related issues, thereby optimizing fuel efficiency over the long term. Additionally, high-quality valves are often engineered to provide better airflow and combustion, further contributing to improved fuel economy. In summation, excessive fuel consumption and defective valve action can have detrimental effects on both the environment and your vehicle's performance. By addressing these issues promptly and seeking professional assistance, you can mitigate their impact and ensure the efficiency and longevity of your vehicle. Regular maintenance and proactive measures are key to preventing these issues, ultimately saving you time, money, and unnecessary stress in the long run. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.